disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Check out the mountain. I'm fixing to go over that, but I wanted to show you how I got the GoPro Hero 12 Bluetooth connected to this Sena 50C, and I also have this little mount here, and I can actually, it's pretty handy because I can turn my GoPro around to where it's on me. I can turn the GoPro back around this way. I can tilt it up and down either way, kind of multi-function. But we're going to try this thing out so I can actually do this on the move. Snug it back down right there. It's just some kind of a camera mount, I don't know, but works pretty good. We'll see how good the image stabilization is. I'm actually recording on this, and I'm recording on the GoPro at the same time, and the audio should be on both at the same time from the Sena 50C. So we'll see how good this image stabilization is on this road, because this road is pretty washboard. There's some spots in it that's like right here. Let's see how that does on the image stabilization, because that's pretty rough. So this is it says West Montezuma Canyon Road ahead. So we're on Montezuma Canyon Road anyway. Headed up to Montezuma Peak here in southern Arizona. We're actually not but a few miles from the border, the Mexico border. Out by myself today. Thought I'd take the 300L basically because I have a lot longer fuel range on this CRF 300L because I have the Cherbis 3.6 gallon fuel tank. I also have it set up for my GPS. I have all my Nelson rig, my rig gear, tank bag, tail bag, all the stuff where I can carry everything I need. So I got a Nelson rig dry roll bag back here, and I carry all my stuff, spare tubes, all my stuff to fix the tire out on the trail if I happen to have a flat. Well, on the XR250L, I don't have anything. So, and it's only got 2 gallons of gas. So if I go very far, I run low on fuel. I don't have to worry much about it with this Cherbis tank. I got this Cherbis tank from crfsonly.com. So I haven't met anybody on this road yet, but I probably will. Pretty cool. Turn this camera. And this road is washboard bad. Holy cow. It's crazy how bad it actually is. I can't even hardly talk right because it's shaking so much. There we go. Well, and there's some pretty good ruts washed out. It's real loose, gravelly stuff up there too. It's not bad. I mean, you can drive in the car. Be careful. It's kind of chilly. It's supposed to warm up to about 70 degrees today, but I think when I left the house it was 50, a little over 50 degrees. So it's better now. I can feel that, but it won't be up here on top of the mountain, I'm sure. Higher elevation I go. That little boy's got a 250R. TRX 250R. Man, I've owned some of them. In my opinion, that's the best four-wheeler ever made. That was an 88 250R, or he had plastic, 88 plastic, I mean, all red. mercy. This is rough. This is rough. There's another truck, so I hadn't met nobody, now I've met two. Could be smugglers. They say there's trafficking and smugglers and people through here. Check out the view over here off this mountain. Let me get over this way where you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know where the best way to look at it is, but pretty cool. Let me turn the GoPro around here. Like that. Check that out. So I can kind of pan the GoPro around here. It looks like there's some people up here at the parking lot for the trail. There's actually bathrooms up here, and there's some trails. This guy's going running up that trail. I can see him to the right there. We have made it to the top. Now over that way is the border. To the south there, you can't really see it very good here, but the border wall's right over there. Or it's actually not a wall here, it's basically just a fence. You can really call it a wall. Okay, we'll head down this way. I'm going over to toward Parker Canyon, over that direction. Narrow mountain road, limited maintenance, next 14 miles. Speed limit 15 mile an hour. I'm doing 16. I'm speeding. Beautiful area. Can't just sit at home all the time. Gotta get out and ride. And that's the cool part about Arizona, is there's definitely more riding here and weather for riding. In Missouri right now, it'd be cold. They get cold and snow, and it gets cool here at night. It's down to, it's been, I think the coldest I've seen is 35 at night, but it's frost. But then during the day it warms back up in the 60s and 70s sometimes. Coronado National Forest, land of many uses. You are looking across the historic San Rafael Valley, headwaters of the Santa Cruz River. The National Forest land you see is managed to produce sustained yields of water, forage, and wildlife, and to provide recreation opportunities. Fishing, picnicking, and camping are available at Parker Canyon Lake for your enjoyment. So there's all kinds of camping out here, dispersed camping out in here. You can go over to the campground over at Parker Canyon Lake. But if you like me and like dispersed camping, there's lots of that out here. Pretty much everywhere. There's definitely lots of cattle guards out here in Arizona. Time to slow down. You can kind of get pretty good speed going out across that flat. There ain't nothing there anyway, so just fly right on across there. But then you got to slow down when you get to these curves, because this loose gravel be all over the place. Loose gravel and washboard, it just start bouncing you sideways. This is Sunnyside Ranch down here. These people are way out here. I would say there's no electricity or nothing unless they have solar. Got some sycamore trees down here too. Man, that's rough. There's a sign says Parker Canyon Lake 3 miles, Sonoita 32, Lochiel 17, and I missed the one that was yeah, the one that was on Sierra Vista is back that way, 37 miles. So there's all kinds of riding out in here. Primitive Road number 227. Definitely a lot of scenic views of the mountains too, especially when you get to the top of one of these. You get past like these little juniper trees or whatever they are. See that tower up ahead? That would be a surveillance tower for the Border Patrol. They got them along the border, different locations, and obviously they're remote so they can view them from somewhere else. Looks like maybe a place a person could go camping or something. Just a little road down through here. Don't know whether it goes anywhere, but goes down here and turns around. Probably people park here to camp for deer hunt. Look at them mountains over there. That's where I came over the mountain. So you can see the whole Huachuca mountain range across there. Beautiful. So I'm definitely way off out here from the mountain range I came over. Said 30 something miles to Sierra Vista, so quite a ways out here. But I'm going to go on to Parker Canyon Lake. That'll be on the next video. I thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe down below. Appreciate every one of you for following my channel. And we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on, guys.